Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Hearts and Crafts on resin today and raindrops. So I'm using a few different things today to fill my resin with, and you can see them right here. I'm not actually using any fresh resin, or a freshly mixed resin rather. I'm using my leftover little bits of epoxy resin that's spilt from my other projects. So some of them have got glitter in, some of them are clear. And here I'm just placing them on my silicone tray in random places, hoping that they'll stick and that they'll look like the actual raindrop effect that you see on everybody's videos. After seeing so many videos of everyone using UV resin to make the raindrops, I thought I would try this because I don't have a UV light or the resin, and I don't have any fast curing epoxy resin at the moment. So I thought I'd use the leftovers that I've got and see if I can use them up really. Here I am just putting the raindrops in random places and hoping that they stick to the silicone. Once I've done this, I then tip it upside down, see what comes off, and then just move them around a bit so that they stay on the silicone when I put the mica powder on top. I'm just giving them another nudge around, seeing which sticks better in which places, and then testing the turning upside down and tipping them out again method. Using Let's Resin mica powder, you can see me brushing it on, and I was flicking it on as well. This little silicone drop didn't want to stay on, so I'm carefully going around it and covering it in the hope that when I pour the other resin on, it stays on in the end. So I fill all the gaps, carry on flicking, carry on brushing, and hopefully have a space feel effect. I did forget to record my pouring process, but I just used some Hemway glitter, gave it a stir and poured it on. And here you can see the final effect. You can see the raindrops, it actually worked, and not many of them came away from the silicone in the end. I did add some broken mirror that I got from a shop over here, and I'm really pleased with it. It's how I hoped it would turn out. You can see all the raindrops and the shimmer and the shine from the mica powder. I'd love to know what you think of it. Let me know in the comments. Thanks again for joining me. It was lovely to have you here, and it would be great if you could subscribe and hit that like button. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye!